Okay, can you see my screen? Hello?
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay. So, what happened that, but actually date of birth you have written here means still person confused. So I think if you mention like that, what to say?
So what I thought, sir, like in case if image is given in a different way, so people might confuse on that. So what I didn't mention it. So as people has to go as per image now, sir.
Yeah,
So better we don't want to.
customer image always date DDMMYY.
But sometimes image may be wrong, no, sir. So we have to
No,
go as
no,
per image.
no. Actually, whatever the image we have, suppose you're giving 04 or 0506, everything is same. If new thing is coming, then we can change it like that.
That's what, sir. So people should not get confused, like why the date format is different. So what I didn't mention that
No,
in the
no, it
heading,
is
sir.
essential. Otherwise, again, they will do the mistake.
Okay.
I think here is I think here is this is correct. I think this one is this one is that one GD.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. First, this is for 3851. This is email number 5.
Okay.
Have you done all the entries that only you have given?
Yes, sir.
So
Only the entries which I have finished.
which you have done that you have given.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So before that, I think you can also cross check your entries before taking the comparison. Okay.
Okay.
See, here is DD and here is only MM because 19th is a date DD and this is MM.
Yeah.
19th should not be the MM. The MM is here only. So that is okay. So I'm telling you that
They
what's
have mentioned it as DK only.
yeah. So no, that is all. This is the we can find very much easy. This is very much easy. Why persons are not
Mm-hmm.
understanding me? Suppose this is okay. So you will just go to the Google. Just go to the
Mm-hmm.
Google and just type okay state in USA. So what you got? It is coming Oklahoma. Oklahoma, it's coming. It is okay, not DK. But if you type DK, suppose if you think at DK state in USA. So you didn't get DK. DK is something now you're not getting any result. Have you seen?
Yeah.
You're not getting Denmark in the you're not getting any result. But as you typing okay, you quickly you're getting the result of Oklahoma. Oklahoma is in USA. Have you seen?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Correct.
so then it is confirmed that this is only O, not D. So here you have to type only O. That is correct. So one problem is all person had to do it like that and what is the next problem?
So again, like a state, there is a state called OH.
Yeah,
So instead of OH,
no, that everything they can type. Suppose okay,
yeah,
case, everything they can type. That
yeah,
full name, if full name is come in, that is that one, not K or DK. Suppose remember
yeah.
person think that is double L. That's not double L. That is only I L. So if you type,
Yeah.
yeah, if you type IL, so automatically it is coming UNS. See, it is UNS. That is only IL.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't think, and if it is something like personally like TX, that it is coming text first, it is TX only. So what
Yeah.
happened? The state name is US is taking the
So
first
there
name
are
like
like,
first name they
so
are
there are
taking
like,
T and next they are taking X. Some after 3 or 4 letter they are taking for abbreviation part. First letter they are taking T and third letter they are taking X. Same thing also in US also.
so there are like
I
common
N
four
N.
states. There are commonly four states people were committing mistakes.
Yeah, which
One is OK,
okay. Then
another one is OH,
okay and OH.
another one is DR.
1 minute. I'm just searching everything. So okay, now I'm taking now I here onwards I am making a video. So first
Yep.
one is OH. OH or okay?
Yeah.
OH.
Yeah. OH. It is Ohio, but people are taking it as DH.
No, OH already Ohio is coming. See,
Yeah.
OH means it is only OH, Ohio. It means they say only
Yeah.
OH, not what you say DH, but not DH.
DH.
It is only OH.
And
If you search OH state in USA, it is coming Ohio. It means it is not DH, it is OH. Then next one is
yes, DR.
DR.
So actually it is OR, but people are taking it as DR.
DR. So DR is not a state. See, nothing is coming. I think it is
It
OR.
should be OR.
OR state in USA. Next one is
So
BR.
what people has to do in case if they are not able to find that in Google, they have to copy paste the image and share it in the WhatsApp group so that either you or me will answer them. So
Yeah,
they should not take the judgmental call. So they
yes.
have to be very accurate.
Yes. Yeah, suppose if anybody is not able to find anything correctly, it is GA, BR or NR or OR. So that you can just type in the Google group, me or Niaz personal chat also. But what is the state? This is BR or OR. So it is OR. So we can just reply to you. And then I think most problem is date of birth also. So
Hmm.
here is uh, when you go to the doctor's date of birth typing, just there is a doctor's date of birth. Okay. So in that case, there is MMDDYY, and when you go to the
Mhm.
customer is something DDMMYY. So
Yes.
that's the I have mentioned here MMDDYY. So don't do the mistake I done. Just type whatever it is written. You have to type, and it automatically it is in text format. I think it's a text format.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in that case, you're not getting something like mistaken.
Yeah. And the only request to all the people is like, do not change the formatting to any kind of texting or nothing. Just you have to select the column, the entire column into text, and then start typing as per the image. So do not change any formatting for date of birth.
No, they can.
But
They should not format anything. Already we have formatted and given to them.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
that is
so
what.
they should not format. They should not think of any formatting. Just look and type. Just look and type. If you have got any problem, then you can ask.
Correct.
Yeah, suppose
They should
email.
not change any settings. They have to go
Don't Yeah,
as
don't change
per
any
the.
setting. In settings, you are very much poor in setting, and emails is very much critical and tough thing. I think it is easy, but now it is very much tough. If you change the setting, means everything will go collapse and very difficult to type manually also. So in that
Yeah.
case, don't change the setting. Just be there. Now suppose it is Deborah, like 38
Yeah.
Deborah. So persons think it is Opera. So even name also you can type. That is also you can come see Deborah name. No, no, that is not the point. Means if you type Deborah, see Deborah also coming. See Deborah, Dolman, Deborah. Oh no, what is the problem? Okay, I understand. So Deborah
And
Burns.
in case if the name is not, they are not able to identify, still they can do as per data, as like state, they can just copy that image and share it in WhatsApp group so that we can
No,
help it
no,
out.
you can write both Deborah Burns.
Yeah. No, in case if any of the image is difficult, any of the name is
See,
difficult to identify,
or Deborah Burns
so
is
that
coming.
time they
Deborah
can
Burns.
get our help.
So now I think here see also when I type Deborah Burns, is coming. Oprah Burns not coming. It means that Deborah Burns is the famous name as compared to Oprah Burns. So it is. I think that it is D is correct. What you say? See, Deborah is coming so many times, but Oprah is not coming. Have you seen?
Yeah, yes. In this case, it is okay, sir. But in case,
In case
if
if you
there
don't
is
able
any,
to, if you're not able to find, then you have to message in the WhatsApp group or in the personal
yes,
chat also. If
yep.
this person is not able to go for WhatsApp group because that is very much critical thing because they don't want to say that I am mistaken or I am low, so they can type personally to me and you.
Okay.
Yeah. Suppose this is any boy. Person think that is O. If person think that is O. I think that I can type just
So in that,
I will tell that whatever written is there in the capital or a small, they have to write them exactly the same. Don't change according to your mind. Suppose if somewhere they have to block maybe they have to somewhere. Suppose email ID also. Suppose email ID is totally blocked, but it should be a small, but they are blocked means they have to write type block only. And date is okay and states okay. And this is the address they have to write.
in the address, just go to the address field, sir.
Yeah.
Uh,
Which address? There are two address.
in the
One.
first one, in the first one, sir, in the first one.
Yeah.
Yes, stop here.
Yeah.
So if you see, there is an address called PO Box 82977.
Yeah.
But one of the user has typed as PD. Almost 89 errors occurred in that entries. I mean,
Oh.
total 89 errors were
Actually,
there.
actually, that see in the address it is only PO box, not PD. It's a PO. It's just
Yeah,
post box.
it's
That
a
is just
common thing. It's a very common
yeah.
thing
It's a
that
common thing as
post office number.
even if you talk if you hear if you type here PO box, what you coming? See is coming PO box post office box. See coming post office box PO box. It is just PO. Totally PO everywhere. If you type PD, nothing is coming. D box is not coming. D box something coming different thing. It is only PO is going to give common.
So, so that person has committed 89 errors. So, which
Who-
is a simple thing, but it cost 89 errors. So we have to be very careful on that.
Yeah, and here I think you have done every kind of settings. I think, and can we do right alignment here? Right alignment is what?
Yeah.
Bottom that is okay. Bottom right, and not times new Roman 12. Here is set is text. It is okay. They want text. So whatever you type,
Yeah.
I think even if whatever you type, if you type 4/5/1989, it is coming.
So
Or if you
strictly,
type,
they should not change any kind of settings. It is already set.
yeah, already
So
set.
they should not change any settings.
Yeah. So it is coming. Whatever you type, it is coming. Because it is set as text, everything will come. But when you change it to a custom, it will be very much difficult. Okay. So this
Yeah.
is thing. I think here. Sandy ask. Okay.
And coming to email ID field, which is the last one, like
Yeah.
So email ID field is the field where we used to commit a lot of errors in terms of spelling mistakes, case sensitive. So have to be very careful in email ID, because email ID it is coming mixed of cases. Some email IDs are with case sensitive small letters or capital letters, and it is mixed with numbers also.
Yeah, yeah, number.
So
So what happened that here ms dot al, see, ms
hmm.
dot al 2006, that is not O, because after the alphabet,
No,
then
sir, not, that is not zero, sir. That is O only.
no, that is 2006.
No. So that is not zero zero. It is O. So so in that case, like you can see the date. In the date, what how the zero is presented.
Yeah, date or here also, see here 05010.
That so you can do the comparison, sir. You just go to that email ID and just do the comparison.
See here
How
also,
zero?
com also, just everything is Yahoo or com 0 and
Yeah,
this 0 is matching, but that 0,
yeah,
that 0 is not matching.
not matching. So that is O, not zero.
Yeah,
So this is the tricky email ID that we would have. So we
yeah,
have to be very careful.
yeah,
So
yeah.
we used to think that between 2 and 6 there would be zero only, like kind of 2006 year.
Hmm.
But it is not like that. So we have to clearly read the letters whatever given in the image and then type.
Yeah. And suppose now, but others says okay, is something like Linus 63955.
Mm.
Well, that is okay. And
And one kind of identification I want to tell you, like, so mostly the email ID names would be there in the first name and last name. If you check the not for all the email IDs, but for most of the email IDs, the email ID would be there in the first name last name.
doctors, I the doctors first and last name.
Doctor's first name last name. You can also verify that.
So this is doctor's last first and last name or what?
Yes, yes, sir.
This is first.
You just go to the email ID. Just go to the email ID.
See,
Email
doctors.
ID, sir. Email
Why
ID.
there is two name? Doctor name, doctor last name, and then again
That is,
first name, last name.
yeah, first name, last name.
Both are the same or different? Not different. So who is
Yes.
Vaisali Patil, and then here doctor name is Contesti Mojak, whatever, Moshe. So both are the different person. Here is the customer. Customer name is Gareth Wright. Okay.
Yeah.
Who is this
So the
person?
email ID will be the doctor's email ID.
Who is this
So
person?
we have
Vaisali Patil. Who is the person? Vaisali Patil. Maybe there is two
that is
doctors.
doctor's first name, sir.
No. And here is also doctor name, doctor last name, Konesti Masih.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I think there is two.
So just go to that. Just
Maybe
go to that email ID, sir.
I think maybe it is the second person, as assistant of doctor, or maybe some
Maybe, yeah.
insurance head, something like that. So here is Manoj Patil. See, Manoj dot Patil.
Yeah.
Yeah, it means that Patil is the assistant of doctor, and it says
Yeah.
that Doctor Constantly has given permission to the Patil that she can address all the email queries from the patient. So
Yeah.
so that's why Vasali will give all the info to the patient. That's why her email ID is given. And here also
Yes.
holy McNeil, holy email ID is given.
Yeah.
See,
So this is one kind of identifying or recognizing the email ID in case if they are not able to view the email ID clearly. So they can cross check in the first name, last name.
yeah, and also second thing is that they have to cross check. See, blindly don't type. As like you typing means then you so many after 150 you just cross check. Are you going correct or not? Even if I am typing. Even if I'm typing like that, 306 Dan Marek, then Chris Johnson. If it is coming Chris Kelly, Chris Griffin, oh, Chris Johnson is there in the line. I'm typing Chris Kelly, Chris Griffin, is incorrect. So I can just go and remove it. And already I have given in the first video how to how to take that thing. Just select and just go down, and then you can enter that missing thing. That already have given capacity. Here means I cannot do. Or
Yeah.
also because we don't want any type of settings to process can change. Just download our Excel sheet, template sheet, and after downloading the Excel sheet, just type in that's it only. Don't change anything, align it anything. Just type whatever you see on the image. And after 10 or 25, just cross check everything is going correct or not. And if you got any problem, anything like in state name, or if you have got problem in date of birth, like thing, or anything in first name, last name, D or O, I like here is Daniel Osborne. I think also D. D is little bit curve. Have you seen? D is little bit small curve. Curve is there. See, and O is totally square. O totally square. Have you seen? And
There would be a mild difference.
no,
If you
also
zoom that, you will
no,
come to know that.
no. I just got why person is so much curious about. So PO is only O, PO box there is only O, not D. You can compare O and this O. So that O is matching, but that D and O is not matching. It means it is D and this is O. That is very much good way of identifying. See, PO box in PO box there is O is only O, not D. So this is O Osborne because everything is matching with PO box, and this is not matching. Here is small curve. In that case, it is D, not O. I think it's a
Yes,
good way
sir.
to
Correct.
good way to identify.
Correct.
Yeah. So why persons are giving me this is very much nice idea. The person is not clicking in their mind that every PO box is only O, and why they are
So when
saying
the
PO
people
box.
has to understand that whenever they are doing this kind of works, so they have to do the comparison between letters and words. That would really helpful for them. And also one serious kind of error which I have found is the missing of entries, sir. So there has been like 24 entries which has been completely blank. It was
Yeah,
not at all typed.
yeah, Tamida. I think she missed so many entries. Same thing. If you do, then you cannot agree for the next project.
Yeah. And also sequence numbers also mismatching.
Yeah,
So the
yeah. Suppose a
numbers,
person is typing 3004 instead of Daniel, they can write Kenneth, and same Kenneth will go all things. All Kenneth
correct.
entry will go to the
Even
3004.
if a single
But
entry is mismatched, then the entire data would be collapsed.
yeah, so also match the same entry, same row, and just
Yeah.
go as like suppose if you type here. Suppose this is also good way. Suppose if you type 3851 and
Yeah. I would suggest one thing, like in case if people are not able to recognize the line which they are typing. Say for example, they cannot zoom all the particulars in a single zoom. So what they have to do, so however they are going to open the paint, correct? So what they can do, so they can just mark.
hello, hello Niaz.
Yeah.
What
So
is
what they can do, they can just mark a line on the particular entry so that the sequence may not be missed.
I like that.
Yeah, correct, sir.
You can also mark, but it will take time. In that time, they can
No,
type.
no, no. What I'm saying is like the first, maybe like it was 23 columns, so they cannot fix all the 23 columns in the single display. So, however, they have to move. So, while moving that, they have to put a mark that they are coming on, working on this particular
Yeah, yeah.
row or column.
Suppose you have typed to 3851
Yeah.
Robert William Matt to Jeffrey, and from
Mm-hmm.
Robert a small to rough, and here also rough and physical address. If you're going just slacking here, in that case, that last time is going on, it is moving. So in that case, you can just mark what happened. So serial name and physical address. Okay. So physical address. So now you're coming to physical address. Your marking means if you're moving this one, the still marking is there. So now you can type all things. I think so. Instead of
Yeah,
it,
correct.
and if you move
So
the phone,
that
yeah,
marking line would be the showing line, so that
yeah.
they won't be missing the
Suppose
sequence.
if you're moving to this box, and then if you're moving to this box also, I think it's city here. So again you can do this one. And now if you're moving to here, so you can just take here. Now if you
You
have
can just mark in any one of the field. We don't want to mark the
no,
entire
no, yeah, yeah.
fields.
Suppose now here to here you have typed. Now if you want to go here, and also this you want to go here, and you're scrolling also left to right, and if you coming
Yeah,
to here, so here you can mark like that here. So here now
correct.
this will,
Just an identification mark. That's it.
yeah, yeah. But so many instructions can lead their mind to collapse. So better type with your own mind, on way. And if you have any
Yeah.
doubt, you can just type me by tag by me or by question chat, or also in the group by tagging me or Niaz.
Yeah. And also, like, there is a mediclaim number, sir. There is a column called mediclaim number.
Yeah,
Can
yeah,
you go
yeah,
to
yeah,
this?
yeah. This one. Yeah, this one. This is the medical. No, this one.
Not this one, sir.
Yeah,
Just go before.
yeah, this one. That is A only. Hello.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. So in this mediclaim number, almost all the entries will end with A only.
Yeah, yeah. This medical entry only is with A. Nothing. It's
Yeah,
very simple.
very simple. So they have to cross check after completing the entries. They have to see whether the numbers are ending with A. If the numbers are not ending with A, then they have to recheck that particular entry.
Yeah, yeah. That is also good way to check. Suppose if medical number you cannot not ending with A means you have something wrong. So you can go back
Because in
and
the first set, I have received 10 errors on this particular field.
yeah,
And also one more thing, the phone numbers, two phone numbers contains 10 numbers. There is not more than 10 numbers. Sometimes because of the image error, it could be 9, but 99% the phone
phone
numbers
number is
are
almost
with 10 numbers.
almost 10 digits, and
Yeah.
also two phone numbers are the same. This phone number and this phone number are the same. You can copy and paste
Yes.
this thing.
No, sir. We don't want to encourage the copy paste. Don't use copy paste.
Okay,
You
okay.
have to, they have to type manually only.
Yeah, yeah. You can type manually. You can copy paste some formatting error will.
Don't use copy paste. Even the entries are same. They have to type only. They
Yeah,
should not.
and also if you already typed this thing, and if you type again this one, automatically all the digital coming because previously will show. So you can just
Yeah.
tab. If you just click tab the all thing, or just click that scroll bar to last, all the things will come. All the things will come. All the digits
Yeah.
will come automatically.
So yes. So say for example, in the name field, suppose like Vaishali Patil. So there could be another person with the same name, Vaishali. So what they have to do, like they have to cross check that particular entry. So they should not go with the auto filtering. So they have to recheck. So auto filtering is also one of the cause of errors.
What you
So
say?
because like that,
I didn't understand what you said.
no sir, suppose if the person is doing 100 entries, correct? And there was a name called Vaishali. In the first entry, there was a Vaishali, and there could be a name in the 50th entry as Vaishali and 60th entry as Vaishali. So, what will happen if we enter VAI? So, it will filter the name as we already previously typed. So, we should not use that option. So, we have to type it, retype it again. We should not go with the auto filtering.
Okay.
If I have that system access means I can show, but
But I think
Unfortunately, I
mobile
don't
you
have that.
cannot share. I think mobile you cannot share.
Yes. Say
Okay.
for example, if Deborah is coming 2 times.
Yeah.
So if you enter the first time, you just enter in the Excel sheet. You just go to the Excel sheet, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. This which one?
Yeah. Go to the Excel sheet and go to the name field. Any name field, sir.
Yeah.
Just go to the first name. Retype that Robert in the second row.
Here.
Yeah, here. Yes.
I can type or just down.
No. You should not copy paste. Just type the name Robert. See, there is a filter is coming, right? Which is we have already typed. Just enter R. See, the name is coming, correct?
Yeah.
When you enter the first letter R, it is automatically filtering the other letters.
Yeah.
Have you notified that? Just go there, sir.
But again.
Just delete and okay. Just type R.
Yeah. Already
Okay.
come.
Now see.
So we can just go to
Now
the
see.
right. If you just click the right key, automatically it will come.
Automatically it will come. It is a easy way for keying, but still people has to cross check the spelling, because in the third Robert there would be a spelling mistake in the image. Instead of ROBERT, the image might have ROBART. So they have to cross check the image for whatever they are typing.
Okay. Leave it. I will record this all video and delete some part and merge some part and send to them, or I can also make a fresh video whatever we have got the conclusion.
Yes.